يوم تشهد عليهم ألسنتهم وأيديهم وأرجلهم بما كانوا يعملون. يوم, on the day, تشهد testifies, عليهم against them, ألسنتهم their tongues, وأيديهم their hands, وأرجلهم their feet, بما كانوا يعملون, بما كانوا what they يعملون used to do. This torture will be given to them on the day of judgment, the day when their tongues will testify against them about the wrong things they said, and their hands and their feet will testify against them about what they used to do. يومئذ يوفيهم الله دينهم الحق ويعلمون أن الله هو الحق المبين. يومئذ, that day, on that day, يوفيهم الله, Allah will pay دينهم الحق, in full, in their account in full. وَيَعْلَمُونَ, and they will know, أَنَّ اللَّهَ, Allah, the God will, هُوَ الْحَقُّ الْمُبِينُ, God is the evident reality. On that day, Allah will reward them in full, and they will know that Allah is most merciful and revealing the truth. الخبيثات للخبيثين والخبيثون للخبيثات والطيبات للطيبين والطيبون للطيبات أولئك مبرؤون مما يقولون لهم مغفرة ورزق كريم. الخبيثات, bad women are for للخبيثين, bad men. Bad women are for bad women. والخبيثون, bad men are للخبيثات, for bad women. والطيبات, and good women are for للطيبين, good men. والطيبون, good men are للطيبات, for good women. أولئك, and those مبرؤون مما يقولون. Ulaika, those mubarrauna, acquitted, those are acquitted, mimma yakuluna, what they say, lahum, and for them, maghfiratun, forgiveness, and maghfiratun, warizqun kareem, a generous provisions. Dirty women are for dirty men, and dirty men are for dirty women, and pure men are for pure men, and pure men are for pure women, and they are responsible for whatever people do towards them. Only for them, the pure ones, is reward in the hereafter. This indicates that the man and woman who accused respected Aisha radiallahu anha, may Allah be pleased with her, are impure and impure in mind. يا أيها الذين آمنوا لا تدخلوا بيوتا غير بيوتكم حتى تستأنسوا وتسلموا على أهلها ذلكم خير لكم لعلكم تذكرون. يا أيها الذين آمنوا, O you who believe, La tadkhulu, do not enter, buyutan, homes, ghayra buyutikum, other than your own, hatta tasta'nisu, until you have asked permission, hatta tasta'nisu, until you have asked permission, وَتُسَلِّمُ, and greet their occupants, ala ahliha, occupants, and وَتُسَلِّمُ ala ahliha, greet their occupants. ذَلِكُمْ خَيْرٌ لَكُمْ, this is better for you. لَعَلَّكُمْ تَذَكَّرُونَ, that you may be aware. And for the sake of honor, oh honest people, do not go to other houses except your own, until you take permission from them and seek peace from the people living in those houses. This is better for you. In the beginning of Surah, these orders were given that if any evil happens in the society, then how should it be redressed? Now orders are being given to stop evils from taking birth in the society. How to do, like it is rule has been stated in the hadith that one should greet standing on the right or left side of the door. Then tell me, should I come inside? Do this 3 times, and turn back if you don't get permission. Bukhari 6245. Also you can see the Muslim 2153. فإن لم تجدوا فيها أحدا فلا تدخلوها حتى يؤذن لكم وإن قيل لكم ارجعوا فارجعوا هو أزكى لكم والله بما تعملون عليم. ليس عليكم جناح أن تدخلوا بيوتا غير مسكونة فيها متاع لكم والله يعلم ما تبدون وما تكتمون. فإن لم تجدوا, if you do not see there anyone, أحدا, فلا تدخلوا, do not enter there, حتى يؤذن لكم, until you get the permission. وَإِنْ قِيلَ لَكُمْ, and if told you to go back, turn to back, فَارْجِعُوا, then you turn back. هُوَ أَزْكَى لَكُمْ, it is for better for you. وَاللَّهُ بِمَا تَعْمَلُونَ عَلِيمٌ, Allah, the God knows what you are doing. لَيْسَ عَلَيْكُمْ, and you have no problem, you have no blame. Junahun, أن تدخلوا, if you wanted to enter, buyutan, houses, غير مسكونة, غير مسكونة, uninhabited houses. فيها متاع لكم, there is the furniture belonging to you, some things belonging to you. Wallahu ya'lamu, Allah knows ma tubduna, what you are. Allahu ya'lamu, what you are revealed, and ma tubduna wa ma taktumun, and what you are concealed. There is no blame on you for entering uninhabited houses in which are belongings of yours. God knows what you reveal and what you conceal. There is certainly no problem on you in this, that you go into an inhabited house in which you have any furniture without permission, and whatever you do openly and whatever you do secretly, Allah knows. Thanks too much, dear friends. I request you to subscribe. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.